Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. In the second weekly report, this time we take a look also at the forex market and the Great British Pound in particular, because really big events right now stands beyond of it, and it's really important to update our long-term view. On the gold market, it's also interesting situation as it was the collapse on the market last week, and the technical picture is changing as well, but I think that the daily video should be enough to provide necessary update on the gold market. At the same time, on the Great British Pound, there are a lot of fundamental events, and we need to discuss it, and that's the reason why we today have prepared another report on the forex market as well. Well, in the two words, on the Great British Pound, very important event that is possible is the early elections in the Parliament. That could take place in the middle of October. So it's not final decision yet, but the talks about this event stand on the market right now, and this really could be extremely important. And it's the measure that could provide the answer on all questions. And in fact, this is the only way, as for the Labour Party, as for the Conservative Party in the United Kingdom, because as Boris Johnson right now has no majority to push through the parliament, it's Brexit scenario, whether it will be no deal Brexit or hard Brexit or deal Brexit or any other initiative that it could invent. So, for example, it could postpone the Brexit on the later time. Now it's also stands rumors that to be postponed to the January. He needs the majority that he doesn't have right now. For the Labour Party, it also will be the possible way to take the control over the parliament. And in today's weekly report, we talked about the different scenarios, what could be. We also put the new Fathom Consulting that provides interesting material on what will happen in the United Kingdom economy if Labour Party would take the lead. So it's extremely important. So it means that until the 15th of October, the Great British Pound could keep short-term bullish sentiment and turn to some moderate upward action. So this upward action could continue in the nearest future, or maybe it will be wide flat action with the big swings, because market will show strong reaction on any news that will be released concerning Brexit and new events in the parliament and so on. So currently, in the current moment, guys, the first upward action is completed, because as you can see, market hits the daily overbought. That's accompanied by the monthly pivot resistance one. So here we have actually all signs of the bullish reversal. We have the divergence with the MACD, we have the wash and rinse of these lows. So what we have talked about 2 weeks ago has been completed. So we have talked about the fake breakout of the 120 area and possible reversal due to the technical situation. Now this point is done in our trading plan. The first upward leg is completed. What will be the next? In general, market probably will continue upward action, definitely to the confluence, since 125 area probably will be reached. But we also do not exclude the chance that this could be more upward action to the 128.30. To reach this area, market probably will need some external push from some political news, but this is possible. Speaking on this area, that's probably the question of time when the market will hit it, because here, guys, we could recognize the shape of the double bottom pattern. So you can see first bottom, second bottom with the wash and rinse, and upward action. Still, the beginning of the week, we will focus on retracement, just because of the strong resistance area. As you can see, upward action in general was really good because the first level has been broken. So the first 30% level now is not valid anymore, and upward action was held just by the overbought area. So our trading plan suggests waiting for the pullback and then taking the long position on a possible upward continuation to the double bottom target. Retracement could be different. We do not have clarity yet how deep this retracement will be, but we have some levels. So we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. We have the first level is 122, that's fib level and weekly pivot point, and another one stands at 121. This is the 618 support. That is major setup that we will keep an eye on in the coming week. The byproduct, the additional setup that we have is a possible bread and butter buy pattern that could be formed here. Because take a look, we have the thrust up, and now market showing the close below 3x3, or maybe it will be double repo sell. That's also possible. So that's two scenarios that we'll keep an eye on. At the first glance, the first level looks more attractive for taking the position because it's accompanied with the weekly pivot point, and as we deal with the double bottom, it not really supports an idea of the deep retracement. So minor pullback here, it's possible then upward continuation should follow. At the same time, currently we have the first reversal swing after long-term bearish action. So reversal swing, you can see that this swing up is greater than the previous swing down. Usually after the first reversal swings, retracement stands deep. Besides, we could also replace the double bottom with a kind of the, I don't know, maybe hand and shoulder, something of that sort, because take a look, that could be the left arm, head, and the right arm. And from that standpoint, 121 area looks, in general, acceptable for the overall picture that we have here. So what we could do in the current circumstances? First of all, keep an eye on the possible denopoly pattern. So if it will be double repo, it means that market should drop below the first level. It means that the retracement right to the 121 looks more probable. This is the first help that we could get from the current pattern. Second, if we will not get clear signs where market could finish this retracement, so for example, if we will get ABCD pattern, that in this case we will be able to estimate the precise target of this pullback. But if we will not get anything, you could split your position. So for example, take the 30 or 40% here. If market will drop to the 121, take the last part of your position right here. So on average, you will get the position somewhere around 21.35, 21.50. This will be a good entry. So, but anyway, our suggestion on the coming week is the retracement here, and then upward continuation on the daily chart. Because short-term bullish sentiment is still valid, the driving factors that we have discussed 2 weeks ago starts to work, and now we expect some upward continuation. So we do not think that the upward action will stop right here and market will turn down immediately.